Hello, my friends and family. I am Wowwy. Now let me just say this. If you are a lover of artwork, specifically wood carving, wood sculpture, you do not want to miss this video. I promise you, you want to see this. Now this is a very special episode of Tribe Mail that we do here at Wowwy'z Workshop, and a very special shout out to the Kindred Spirits Woodcarvers group on Facebook. And that group made this particular Tribe Mail possible. Okay, we are celebrating the artwork of Miss Claire Tolme, and she is an amazing artist, friend of mine, a lady I call a sister. And this is all about Claire's work today, guys. So I promise you, you're gonna want to see it. Little LaRue here, LaRue. Let's make a pretty one for Miss Claire.
All of the people say, hey, what's going on today? Down in Wowwy'z Workshop, where we use art each day to chase the blues away. Down in Wowwy'z Workshop, brought to you by two brothers, one vision.
I hope this looks okay. I'm trying some different stuff, shooting in 4K, and there's all the construction going on next door. It's very, very loud, so I apologize for all that background crap. All right? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna start getting into it, and I'm gonna try and talk and make it entertaining, but in editing, if it's stupid, you're just gonna see me time and speed it up really, really fast, and that'll be that, time lapse it. So, Kindred Spirits it originally was Carving Fusion World of Woodcarvers, and then it changed names. It's got, I believe we're 8,500 members strong, and I've been an admin myself well, I started off with Carving Fusion. I've been doing the admin thing for over 5 years now, so that's kind of crazy. And Claire is like the mama bear of the wolf pack. I have this vision of like 8 wolves in this one, around this one mama bear. Gives me chills, man. Gives me chills. But we are the admin team, and Claire is a member and a phenomenal artist herself. Every admin is a wicked creator in their own ways. And it's just this group, and then the group of everybody is just it's amazing. Please, if you are a wood carver and you want to get into wood carving, you're just starting, go to Kindred Spirits. You're going to learn a lot. It's all about family. Family is everything. Okay, guys. Now, Claire, she is one of those artists that can do realism, like the best that I know personally. She's the best realism carver, especially for like nature and wildlife and stuff. She's the best that I know of. Other than, there's the big carvers with the chainsaw carvers and stuff, but I'm talking the smaller stuff. But Claire chainsaw carves too. She's just such an amazing lady, man, and that's why this Tribe Mail is so important. Now, I in turn am sending her. The way it all happened is that it was the Everybody's a Winner challenge, and everybody that took part got a piece. We just swapped them all out with random names. Now, I shit you not, when we were doing the original stuff and talking about it all, and Claire and I were talking in the comments, and we made a joke about how we wanted each other's pieces, okay? And we went back and forth, and wouldn't that be funny, okay? I shit you not that I closed my eyes and I just focused on opening this piece of paper with her name on it, Claire's name. I've been doing a lot of studying about manifesting and the secret and gratitude. And when I did the live thing and we pulled all the names, and in the end it was me and Claire at the end, I'm getting the chills just telling you guys. I swear on Wowwy that was the truth. So only the people that were part of it knew. So I'm sorry for the folks but it was crazy, man. Me and Claire were the last two. And so I'm sending a package, a special package to her, and she sent me a special package from Friendz. Woo! Mr. Larry B. Dib. Dear Larry, finally got around to boxing it all up and hope everything arrives in one piece. I've included a block of local walnut and a flat piece perfect for jewelry. The bandana is for Poppy and its contents are for Katie and Lola. Oh, really hope you like the challenge piece, and I've included one other piece especially for you. It's made from a piece of driftwood found on a beach near Narbonne. I'm cracking up already. Let's hope that this is just the first of many such exchanges. Yes, I totally concur. Much love went into the work, knowing who it was for and knowing how much it'll be appreciated and treasured. Keep shining, my brother Wolf. Loads of love, Claire. Whew. Damn, man. It will be appreciated, Claire. You guys are my family. Frick. Holy smokes, this is some crazy packing. Woo, woo. Okay, the first thing, you guys. It says for my pack brother Larry. Oh no, holy gosh. Oh my God. Claire, it's the most amazing wolf. Oh my goodness. This, I promise I'll give better shots of it and stuff in the end here. We'll do pan buys, because you guys got to see this. This is just magnificent. The eyes. Oh my God, Claire. I love this. I love it. Oh man. Oh God, this is... I'm going to be so honored to hang this on my wall. Thank you, sister. My goodness. Crazy, crazy packing. Oh, cool. Here's the bandana and treats for Lola and Katie and Poppy. And here's the block. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Let's get this here set up here. Put the wonderful, beautiful treasures right here. Okay, we gotta see where I don't know what she sent, and I'm just trying to be like, I'm not looking at it close until it unwraps. I've been waiting for this. Oh my goodness. I can start to see it. Oh my goodness. No, this has to be gently done. Holy frick, man. It made it. You guys, I'm beside myself. Can you believe that? I'm almost scared just to touch it. And it sits, it balances, you guys. My God, Claire. This is just... I can't believe this. And a bandana for Poppy. Oh, with a couple Oh my goodness. Little critters. Little critters for Katie and Lola. Oh, fantastic. I won't, no, Noni ain't getting this until Katie's looked them all over and admired them, because Loli will rip the crap out of this. She ain't getting this. She ain't getting this. This is too special. F you, Noni. Oh my goodness. Words, I can't convey how I feel right now. I'm like, I got trembling in my stomach. It's just beautiful. Excuse me. Thank you, Claire. Thank you so much. What I've sent in isn't worthy. I don't feel, but I hope that you will treasure the pieces that are coming your way just as much as I'm going to appreciate yours. I thank you all for watching with this very, very special tribe mail. These additions to my home collection are just beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Claire. Thank you so much. There is no YouTube without you. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Oh man, I don't even want to touch them. Jeez.